Acupressure points to heal your body and mind. The science of acupressure might sound unreal, especially since most of us look for healing in pills and procedures. But acupressure is not a new age formula. It's been around since time immemorial and is based on ancient knowledge of the body as both a physical and energetic entity. No more. How acupressure works. Acupressure is based on the concept that life energy flows through meridians in the body. Clearing blockages in these meridians with physical pressure can heal a person. In response to the pressure, the brain releases endorphins, chemicals that muffle pain signals and invite pleasurable feelings. Clear your kidneys. Your kidney point, which can be used to treat fatigue and lethargy as well as to detox the body through the kidneys, is located on the sole of the foot, just to the side of the ball of the foot under the second or third toe. Press and release several times. For stomach problems, the ST36 acupressure point is commonly used to improve digestive disorders including indigestion, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, gas, abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting. Plus, it boosts the immune system, fights fatigue, strengthens the body and promotes general wellness. Bend your leg and place your fingers just below the kneecap, beginning with the index finger at the base of the kneecap. You will find the point at 4 finger widths down from the base of the kneecap. For arthritis and sciatica, this knee back acupressure point B54 is beneficial for reducing knee and back pain, stiffness in the back, arthritis in the knee, back and hips, and sciatica pain. This acupressure point is situated at the center of the back side of the kneecap. Gently press it for about 1 minute and then repeat on the other leg. Do this daily as needed. For menstrual cramps, sacral acupressure points are great for relaxing the uterus and relieving menstrual cramps. It also helps reduce sciatica and lower back pain. The bunch of sacral points is located on the sacrum, that is, the base of the spine directly above the tailbone. Simply lie down on your back with your hands under the base of your spine. Place one hand on top of the other so as to apply steady and firm pressure on the sacral points for a couple of minutes. For insomnia and stress, B10 is a pair of acupressure points that are excellent for reducing stress, anxiety, exhaustion, burnout, headache or heaviness in the head, neck pain and insomnia. They are also good for relieving eye strain and a stiff neck. These points are located at 1 finger width below the base of the skull on each side on the prominent neck muscles located ½ inch out from the spine. Just press these acupressure points for a couple of minutes daily for several weeks. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.